Hi friends, welcome to part 1 of my New Year apartment reset series. Today we're starting with my bathroom, the space that's been begging for some love and organization. Last year was just really a roller coaster for me between being a full-time mom, working full-time, studying for the MCAT, applying to medical school, and growing as a beauty lifestyle influencer. I barely had time to breathe, let alone tackle the chaos in my space. But this year, I'm reclaiming my time in my space starting right here. Let me show you what we're working with. I have a lot of rollers sitting up here on my counter, skincare, lip care, anything you can literally think about it. Old deodorant bottles, just bogus, literally bogus. Like, this is so relatable though, I know, because we get so tangled up with work, and we're in this constant rat race, we forget to take time to ourselves. This space isn't just messy, it's overwhelming, and honestly, it's time for a change. Step 1 for me was to just declutter. I'm taking everything off the counter and I'm sorting it into different piles as far as like keeping it, tossing it, or donating it. Then next up, we're going to clean. A fresh start means sparkling counters, clean mirrors, and 0 dust bunnies. So let's get into this bathroom reset.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July.
Now to my favorite part, organizing. I'm using bins to keep things grouped together. And just a little tip is to group products, how often you use them. This specific bin, I did the left side wet products, the right side dry products, or things that I knew like my hands were gonna be wet while picking them up, putting them back down. That's how I separated this bin. Your everyday essentials always go up front, backups or extras go in the back. Organizing really makes my heart so happy. Like, I felt so good, like I just ran a mile after doing this.
There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my
Oh, that is the final look, y'all. Like, I'm proud. That looks really, really good. So yes, moving on. I'm gonna end up doing my drawers too, but I'm gonna need to cook some chicken and some spaghetti for Mr. Points. It is, what time is it? 4:42. So y'all need to hurry up and cook for him. So I'm gonna start back once I'm done eating and everything, but I'm gonna head to my drawers next.
Oh, dang, this is getting happy.
You ain't gotta say a word, you give me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. I just wanna take her out and do remember for two. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love it. I love it. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. I love it.
so this is like a coat closet towards the front of my apartment, but I have it set up with all of my old lash stuff. So I'm about to post this on Facebook Marketplace and then use these little plastic containers that I'm carrying. Use these little plastic containers that I have my lashes in to organize the drawers in my bathroom. So I have to get all this stuff out of my closet. Post it on Facebook Marketplace. Mind you, it is a New Year's Eve. Me and my son just had a little party together. And he's laying down now. It's 9:29. So I'm gonna just do this real quick and I'm gonna finish watching this movie while I do it. But so I hope somebody buys this stuff off of Facebook Marketplace for like $200. I'm selling literally my lash table. My backdrops. Like I have these floral and grass backdrops. I have so much lash stuff, it's not even funny. And it's been hard to let go of this stuff because I'm like, lash money is always like my backup if I really need the money. But it's time to let it go. 2025, God is going to bring me other forms of income and I'm ready to let it go. I don't ever plan on doing lashes again. So let's clean out this closet. This is what people put their legs on. Then I have literally my table covers, lash table covers in here. I need to take these to the cleaners. I'm gonna put like lash starter kit. Y'all, I'm about to cry. Grass in here. Now I'm just packing up all these lashes up in here. And then I'm gonna use these trays for my makeup and for my like bathroom products and stuff. Good morning. It is a New Year's Day. Why do my face look extra chunky right now? But it is New Year's Day, so I'm finishing up what I was cleaning up and organizing in the bathroom so I can hurry up and post this video for y'all today. So let's get right into the rest of this organization for my bathroom.
About the way she moved, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Ooh, it's something about.
I happened in this year, and I am grateful that I made it here. Blessings gonna find me here. Hey, oh yeah, yeah. Favor gonna find me here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I miss somebody gonna find me. Yeah. What's gonna find me here? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Round and round. This is a good song. I'm gonna put this on my Instagram. Gonna come my way. Blessing gonna come my way. I'm going to put it on my notes. So it just looks more clean, put together. It still can be organized a little bit more, but at least it looks very clean.
I'm the woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing.
start recording on my Sony camera. I'm gonna see if it's a big difference. I don't think it's gonna be a huge difference. Okay, y'all, I'm on my Sony now. These are what I used when I was lashing. I think I put like little cotton swabs in here. So I'm actually gonna add scrunchies to this one, and I don't know what I'm gonna use for this one yet. But it's all about finding little knickknacks and repurposing them. So we're gonna use these for something.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. Want us to make it. I'll trade it all for will it just hurt so much when it ain't working out? 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my replacement shit. I switched. I'm so damn quick. If he ain't getting with my shit, but it just ain't like that, sure.
And here it is, the first space of my apartment to get the New Year reset treatment. Doesn't it look so much better? So healthy, so vibey. This is just the beginning of my New Year apartment reset series. Tackling my bathroom felt so good, and I'm excited to move on to the next place. Let me know what's the first spot you would like to organize this year.
I even tried that shit with you. At a West End, I'd have tried something new. I don't know what I'll do. How is that a wasting time? You were never gonna change your mind. Tired of hearing all your lies, but I wanna leave you lonely. So I come crawling back, hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change.
This is just the beginning of my New Year apartment reset series. Tackling my bathroom felt so good, y'all. It's so therapeutic, just cleaning, organizing. It's like going to therapy, literally, listening to music, vibing out, organizing, cleaning, wiping down. I just really enjoy doing my bathroom. I'm excited to move on to this next space. I'm debating between my closet or this area back over here, which I think is going to be this area back over here because I really want to start doing my makeup looks for 2025. So I'm going to prioritize this section next. It's just my desk, makeup. I need to organize. I need to clean my brushes. If you're feeling inspired by this video, definitely please let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2. Let's make this year the year of organization, luxury lifestyle elevation. See you in the next one.
So when it ain't working, can I